Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simon T. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Uwork. So Uwork is an application. You just go to Play Store and download the Uwork application on your phone. So now you launch the application. Once you launch the application, and this is what you will see. So you click on the tax. Look down here, you see tax. So click on this tax. Once you click on the tax, then you click on this V1. Yes, once you click on the V1, you look at this, click on this receive. So now you click on this receive. Once you click on this receive, you scroll down, you click on copy text. Once you copy the text, you go down again, click on save picture. After save picture, you click on receive. Yes. Now, yes, now you go back to your Facebook. You go back to your Facebook and you click on photos. Then look at the two pictures I've saved here. So you click on them, then you post them on your Facebook. Yes. And you can paste the write up here. Paste the write up here, which you copy. Then after that, you click on post. So when you post, click on post, wait for it to post. As you can see now I'm posting. Yes, as you can see now I'm posting. So after the post, then you screenshot your post. You screenshot your post and then you go back to your works. You go back to your works. Go back to your works. Then you go back to your works. Go back to your works application again. Here now you can click on me and then click on me. Click on yes, you click on here, you click on this one here. Now look at it. Not finished. You click on this not finished and you click on submit. Then you click here so that you upload those pictures. Click on your file here. Then you look at it here. You click on this one. You post it on your application. So you click on submit. uh So that is all. You have sent. Now you can see now pending. So you go back, click back, click back, click back, and do another tax. Do another tax. Click on receive again. Click on copy, receive picture, save picture. I mean, then receive. Yes. Once you're done, you go back to your Facebook again. You click on photos. Oh no, you click on your timeline here. You post that link. Then under it, you put that picture. Look at it. These two pictures here. Then you click on next. You post this picture too. So now you post this picture again. Yes, as you can see now the picture, I'm posting the picture.